Looking for easy ways to make money on Twitter? With millions of active users, Twitter is one of the biggest social media platforms out there and an amazing place for marketing. But there are tons of marketers already making money off Twitter, so it can be tough to stand out from the crowd. The good news? With the right strategy, you can boost your Twitter marketing and start making money in no time. And that's what we're here for. In this video, we're going to show you our secrets to help you make money on Twitter right away. Before we get to that, there are a couple of things you can check to make your Twitter marketing efforts more successful. But before you make money on Twitter, the first step to making money using Twitter is to make sure your Twitter account is ready for marketing. To prepare your Twitter account, you can just try the following. Step 1. Create a professional Twitter profile. Step 2. Grow your Twitter following. Now let's get started and see how you can easily make money on Twitter in no time. Here are top 5 ways to make money on Twitter. 1. Post sponsored tweets. An easy way to make money on Twitter is by using sponsored tweets. Most content creators on Twitter and other social media platforms make a considerable part of their revenue from sponsored content. You can become a part of sponsored tweet networks, which is where sponsored content is sold. For example, you can post a paid tweet from your Twitter account to sell products. Once you have a large following on Twitter, you can find brands who will pay you to promote their products or services. 2. Use affiliate marketing. By promoting affiliate products on your Twitter account, you can have a convenient way of making money. The whole thing is super easy. When people check out your tweet and decide to purchase an affiliate product, you can get a part of that money. It's common to see bloggers promoting affiliate products on other social media platforms, and you can do the same on Twitter. You can post content and add an affiliate link to it. When followers click on the link and make a purchase, you receive a percentage of the sales. You can promote affiliate products on your account to market to potential customers through tweet links. 3. Promote your brand's products. Here's something interesting. 93% of Twitter users who follow small and medium-sized businesses are planning to buy from them. If your brand has products or services, you can just use Twitter to promote them to your followers. Since those people are already interested in your content, you'll have a much easier time promoting your products and getting tons of sales. For a great example, you can take a look at this tweet from Louis Vuitton. They've added engaging photos of people using their products along with a description that tells you why you should buy them. Plus, there's also a relevant hashtag that promotes their brand. Anyone who's interested can just click on the link there and purchase the product. To get tons of sales at once, you can use Twitter to promote a sale or special discount. You could even encourage Twitter users to retweet your posts to reach even more people. 4. Run viral giveaways. Not only do viral giveaways help boost your Twitter following, but you can also use them to make money on Twitter. On top of that, the giveaway gave them thousands of interactions and shares on social media and helped improve their brand image. Once your giveaway is ready, just tweak the link to your raffle press giveaway landing page and you can get Twitter users to join in. To make it more effective, you can include engaging graphics or photos along with the giveaway details. 5. Send Twitter traffic to your website. With over 400 million active users, Twitter can be a great way to get tons of website traffic. And more site traffic means more customers and more sales, so this can be another effective way to make money on Twitter. To get more site traffic using Twitter, all you have to do is tweet links to your interesting blog posts and ask people to check them out. You can also add relevant hashtags and tag others if you want more people to find your tweets. If you would enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're on here, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications.